welcome to English Study Hour. Today we are talking about the topic of the forecast. How to talk about the forecast. Do you know it? Do you know which words we often use when we talk about the forecast? Today we are going to learn the new vocabulary, the vocabulary which help us to describe weather. Let's start. The first word is to brighten up. To brighten up explains or describes the situation when the dark clouds disappear, when the sky becomes lighter and the sun starts to shine. For example, it will brighten up in the early afternoon, according to the forecast. It will brighten up means that the clouds will disappear and the sun will come out. And the second example, if it brightens up tomorrow, we can go for a long walk in the forest. If it brightens up tomorrow, we are talking about the future event, but after if we never use will. Do you remember? We use simple present tense. So if it brightens up means that if the weather improves, if the clouds disappear and if the sun comes out, we will go for a walk. The second phrasal verb is to cloud over. To cloud over, it means to cover the sky with clouds. And let's look at two examples. You'd better take your umbrella with you because it will cloud over again in the evening. It will cloud over again means that the sky will be covered in clouds and most probably the rain will start. And the second example, it often clouds over in spring here. It often clouds over in spring here means that the clouds cover sky quite often in spring in this location. Number 3, to be flooded out means to have an urgency to leave home or another place because of the high waters, because of the flood. For example, after the massive rain, which was continuing for 5 days in a row, many people were flooded out in their village homes and ended up in the city hotels. People were flooded out. It means they had to leave their homes because of high waters, because of the flood, because of too much water, because of the rains. And the second example, the rains have recently been very strong, and that's why many animals were flooded out in their natural habitats. Many animals had to leave their natural habitats because of a level of water which was quite high in their natural habitats. So the animals had to escape, had to leave those places, the places of their natural habitat, to save their lives. Number 4, a phrasal verb pick up when we are talking about wind means to become stronger. For example, we're not going to the seaside tomorrow morning as the winds will pick up during the night. The winds will pick up during the nights means that the winds will become stronger. And the second example, I have never thought that the winds here can pick up so quickly after a calm, sunny day. The winds can pick up very quickly. It means that the winds can become stronger much faster than I expected. The next word combination is not a phrasal verb. It is just a word combination, but we hear it very often. And the word combination is wintry mix. Wintry mix means a mixture of freezing rain, ice, and snow. Let's look at examples of how we can use this specific word combination in the sentences. Number 1. When I saw the wintry mix in the morning, I knew that it would turn to a wet snow in the evening. When I saw a wintry mix, freezing rain, ice, and snow, the combination, the mixture of them is called wintry mix. Let's look at the second example. All the drivers know how dangerous it is to drive in a wintry mix. The mixture of freezing rain, ice, and snow can be really dangerous, hazardous for drivers to be on the roads. So for drivers, it's a really, really dangerous weather. And the last one for today, number 6, is the word combination torrential rain. Torrential rain or a downpour. We can use these both words to explain, to identify, to describe very, very strong rainfall. Very, very heavy rainfall. As a result of torrential rains, the multiple landslides occurred in many places throughout the country. As a result of torrential rains, it means as a result of extremely heavy rains. The rains were so heavy that the landslide began. And the second example, our local airports had to delay many international flights due to the torrential rains. Due to the torrential rains means due to very, very heavy rains. Today we have spoken about the words which we use when we are talking about the weather forecast. I hope you learned a lot from this video. If you found this video useful, like it, comment, and subscribe. See you!